I'm Chef Emily, and this is
Chef Anna.
Welcome to the Ultragrain cooking show. What are we making today?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. So our first ingredient is Ultragrain flour. Can you pour it in the bowl? Our next ingredient is salt. And our next ingredient is baking soda.
Baking soda.
Next, we're going to do our wet ingredients.
What ingredient?
Here's our sugar. Good job, Chef Anna. Next is our brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
There you go. Next is our butter.
Butter.
And last is our vanilla.
Vanilla.
Chef Anna, do you want to stir?
Mm-hmm.
Are we going to crack the eggs?
Crack the eggs.
So we're going to go like this. And then drop it in. Good job. Here, let me help you. Oops. And we'll grab the shell out.
Just break a shell.
Perfect. And there's no shells left in there. Can you dump them in the bowl?
Mm-hmm.
And let's stir it up. Good job, Chef Anna.
It's hard to stir.
So pour that one in here. Good job.
More.
And now, Chef Anna, can you stir?
Sure.
Our last ingredient is...
What is it? Look at that.
chocolate chips!
Chocolate chips.
Dump them in.
Now, and
You forgot some. Two. What are we doing?
we're going to scoop up a cookie.
Put it on there. Good job.
We're gonna put cookies in the oven. When they get all finished cooked, we're gonna put them out of the oven.
And then eat them?
Uh-huh.
Put it slowly. Good job.
Now we'll go play.
Now we'll go play.
It's done.
What does that mean?
A cookies are done.
So we'll open the oven and you stand back. Do those look yummy?
Uh-huh. Let's eat them.
Our Ultragrain chocolate chip cookies are all done. Are you ready to try them?
Uh-huh.
Me too.
Let's try.
Does that taste good? Thanks for joining us for the Ultragrain cooking show. Say bye, Chef Anna.
Bye, Anna.